Now, for the next problem naman, parang mahirap lang yan tingnan, but madali lang. Yan. Kasi itong problem na to, this only involves statics. But be careful lang sa wording kasi sinabi dito, the scissors lift consists of two sets of cross members. So, ito yung keyword two sets. Yan. So, bala, pag 3D pala yung figure natin, two sets of cross members and two hydraulic cylinders man daw. So, parang ganito pala. If ito yung yan yung platform natin, parang ganito yung figure. Ito yung platform and then meron siyang cross dito. Yan. Meron kasi yung overhang. Yan. May overhang yan. Saka sa kabilang side din, merong cross. I hope naintindihan lang. Parang may cross dito sa front, meron din sa likod. So essentially, yung forces pala natin na reactive forces, we have to multiply them by 2 pala. So, yan lang yung considerations natin. Bala, all the forces are acting dyan pala sa gitna. Kasi sinabi dito na the platform has a uniform mass of 60 kilograms with a center of gravity at G1. And the load of 85 kilograms with center of gravity at G2 is centrally located between each side. So, centrally located, andito pala yan. Parang andyan yung forces natin. Ito yung force ng platform. Ito naman yung force ng yung parang box dyan. G2. So, calculate daw natin. 60 kilograms yung platform. So, 60 times 9.81. So, we have 588.6. By the way, sa gitna yan. Yan. 588.6. And then, itong isa naman, 85 kilograms acting at G2. So, we have 833.85. Yan. So, essentially, ito pala yung FBD natin. Let's first consider member, yung member na yan, member AB. Yung nasa top side. So, considering this member, parang dalawang reactions yan. Meron yan siyang parang AY. Yan. And then, merong BY dito. And then, sa kabilang side din, merong AY. Meron ding BY dito. Yan, parang ganyan. So, we have to multiply the reactive forces pala by 2. So, pwedeng ito na lang yung tingnan natin, but cut na lang natin, bala. Lagay ko na lang 833.85 yan. And this is 588.6. Now, looking at the front view of member AB. So, sa AB muna tayo. For a while lang. And we have here parang dalawang AY. Again, dalawang sides kasi AY. So 2 AY, and then this is 833.85, and we also have 588.6. And then dito naman, meron tayong dalawang BY. Yan. Now, for member AB, walang reaction dito. Kasi walang horizontal forces na nag-a-act. So, AX pala is magiging 0 lang. Yan. So, this is, diba, 0.8. Yung distance na yan, 0.8. This is 1.2. But, ito yung medyo tricky. Kasi, diba, may overhang man yan. Yan. So, hindi yan 2 meters. So, ano yan? Diba, this is 1.5 plus 1.5, magiging 3. Total distance nito is 4. So, 4 minus 3, we have a distance here of 1. Yan. So, meron palang medyo hindi realistic, no? So, move ko na lang to dito. Yan. So, parang 1 meter to. And then this is another 1 meter. Yan. Again, 4 minus 3. Kaya 1 meter yan. So, we can now solve. Ano yung una natin? The first question involves the reaction in each of the pins at A. So, magmumunta lang tayo sa B para makuha natin yung AY. Yan. So, meron tayong dalawang AY multiplied by 1.2 plus 1 plus 0.8. That will give us 3. And then, minus 833.85 multiplied by 1.2 plus 1 and then we also have 588.6 multiplied by 1 minus then. Yan. So, set natin to 0. So, we have 2AY multiplied by 3 minus 833.85 times 1.2 plus 1 and then minus 588.6 multiplied by 1. Tama ba? So, shift solve. We have AY 403.845. And then this is anong unit natin? Newtons pala. Newtons. Yan. So for the first question, determine the reaction in each of the pins at A. Yan na yung AY. Kasi wala naman tayong horizontal force, so yung resultant is ultimately the vertical load only. So we have letter C. Yan. And then for BY naman, we can still consider the total system. Ano pala to? This is, sorry, mali yung label. Summation of moments about B. Yan. And then summing of forces along Y naman, we have 403.845. Yan na yung 2AY. AY pala yan. So, 2AY kasi yan. So, 2 times this one pala. Sorry. And then minus 833.85 this one minus 588.6 plus 2BY. So, set natin to 0. Yan. So, store ko na lang to sa A. So, 2 times A minus 833.85 minus 588.6 plus 2x. Set natin to 0. This is 307.38. And this is newtons. So, andyan din yan sa choices. Letter A. So, be careful dyan. Now, yung nilagay dito is pag hindi mo dinivide by 2 yung reactions natin. Minultiply pala. Check natin. 403.845. Pag hindi mo yan na multiply by 2 dito, it will give you times 2. So, 807.69, andyan sa choices, letter D. And then, for the other side naman, 307.38 times 2, andyan sa choices, 614.76. So, yan yung medyo tricky dito. But, since nahanap na natin yung AY saka BY, madali na lang yung number 2 saka number 3. By the way, ito pala yung hydraulic cylinder. Yan. Yan yung hydraulic cylinder. And then, yung pin at C naman is this one. So, ano talaga, we have to consider two sides of the frame talaga. Now, although, pag una, parang hindi determinate. But essentially, ito man yung reactions. Pag sinulat natin lahat, diba, merong Fy, merong tayong Fx, merong dy dito. But since merong hydraulic cylinder dyan, merong force dE, which is parang dx, ang dx lang. And then merong dalawang reactions dito, cy saka cx. And then here we have ay, we also have ax. And then dito, roller, so by. So, ilang reactions? Diba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, applying R equals 3n, R equals, yan, 3n. Our number of reactions, including the internal reactions, is 9. Now, how many members do we have? We have 3 members. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. So, multiply natin by 3. 3 times 3, magiging 9. So, 9 equals 9. This is determinate. Yan. So, no need mag-apply ng structural theory. This is just a statics problem lang. Now, from a member, if you will go to another member, the direction of the internal force will be opposite na. So, diba, na-determine na natin yung AX, yan ay 0. Alam na din natin yung AY, this one, alam din natin yung BY. So, we can now consider any of the frames. Now, dito na lang ako first sa member FCB. Yan, so, saan ba? Dito na lang. So, member FCB, parang ganito yung figure natin. So, we have a hinge at F. Isulat na lang natin yung reactions. So, this is, ano yan, diba? Fy. This is Fx. And then, we have point C somewhere sa gitna. So, assume na natin na the internal force is acting to the left. Yan, Cx. And then, the vertical force is acting, assume ko na lang na acting downward. Yan. So, this is Cy. Now, at point B, opposite na yung internal reaction dito. Diba, here we have 307.38. So, dito sa next member natin, sa CB, opposite na yung direction. So, this is downward na pala. So, downward, ano yung BY? Diba? 307.38. Yan. And then, this is newtons yan. So, to eliminate Fx and Fy, I can sum up forces, I can sum up moments about F para hindi na yan kasala. Dito tayo mag-moment kasi ito kasi yung internal pin dyan. So, for member ACD naman, I can still include equations involving Cx and Cy. So, pwede tayong mag-apply ng two equations, two unknowns. So, by the way, this is 1.5 meters, yan, from F to C, horizontally. And this is, ano naman, 1 meter yan. And this is also another 1 meter. Yan. So, summation of moments about F. We have Cx, it will cause a counterclockwise rotation according to my assumed direction. So, minus Cx times 1. And then, plus Cy multiplied by 1.5. And then, I have 307.38. Multiply ko yan siya by dalawang 1.5. So, 3. Plus 307.38 multiplied by 3. Yan. So, set natin to 0. Now, for my next equation, dalawang unknowns kasi, so dalawang equations yung kailangan natin. Let's consider member ACD naman. So, for member ACD, we have this figure. Yan. So, ACD. So, ano yung reaction sa A? Diba, reaction at A is 403.845, but it will now be opposite. So, downward na yan dito. Nako. Yan. So, 403.845. Yan. Ano na lang natin? Mirror ko na lang. Yan. Para realistic talaga. And then dito sa gitna, we have point C. So, internally, here, this is going to the left. So, for this member naman, this is now going to the right. And then CY will now be acting upward. Yan, CY. And then sa point D, we have two reactions. We have DY and DX. Yan. So, we can still sum up moments about D para makuha natin yung equation involving Cx and Cy. So, summation of moments about D equal to 0. We have unahan natin yung Cx. Cx multiplied by still 1 meter. Yan. Check nyo na lang yung distances dito. Meron naman akong picture na in-upload. And then, ano yan? Cx times 1 plus Cy multiplied by 1.5. Yan. And then, ano pa? Meron tayong minus 403.845 multiplied by yung total distance dito. Again, this is sulat ko na lang lahat. 1.5, this is 1.5, while this is 1. Yan. So, multiply ko by 3. So, we can apply two equations to unknowns. We can move the constant terms dyan sa kabilang side. So, move natin yan. It will now be negative. Negative na yan. And then, ito naman, this will be positive if i-move natin sa right. Yan. So, using our calculator, masosolve na natin yung CX saka CY. So, press mode and then equation. For the first equation, we have negative 1, positive 1.5, and then this constant term. So, minus 1, 1.5, and then minus 307.38 multiplied by 3. And then for the next one, we have 1, left, right, down, up. So 1 and then 1.5 and then 403.845 multiplied by 3. Yan. So, press equals. Ito na yung value ng CX kasi yan yung first variable. And then CY naman is 96.465. Yan. So, we can now answer number 2. Kasi determine the reaction in each of the pins at C man daw. Yan, at C. Now, hindi na natin yan siya i-divide by 2 kasi yung kinonsider na kasi natin is only the front side na. Parang isang side na lang yan. So, each na yung sagot dito. So, RC is square root of CX squared plus CY squared, which will give us dito na lang square root of 1066.8375 and then plus 96.465 squared. So we have 1071.19. And then this is newtons. Yan. So, saan dyan? Ito, letter D. Yan. And then for number 3 naman, determine the force in each of the hydraulic cylinders for equilibrium. Yan. So, kunin natin yung dx. Isusolve na lang din natin lahat. Baka andyan sa choices yung iba. Para holistic yung discussion talaga natin. So, considering this member, di ba, alam na natin yung CX saka CY. So, CX is 1066.8375 and CY is 96.465. Yan. So here we have summation of forces along X. Madali lang kasi dx and cx are acting on opposite directions. So this is 106 din. 106.8375. Yan. So ito na yung sagot natin for number 3. Force man daw ng hydraulic cylinder. Ito. Yan. DE. So this is ano pala? 1066.9. Yung value na yan. And then, solving dy naman, summation of forces along y, we have minus 403.845 and then plus 96.465 plus dy. So solving dy, we have minus 403.845 plus 96.465 plus x equals 0. So dy pala is 307.38, which checks out kasi if you look at the figure, pwede tayong mag-movement about f. If mag-movement tayo about f, dy will become the same lang sa by dapat. 307.38. Yan. And then considering the total system then, yung value ng fx, the same lang sa dx. And then fy is the same with ay lang din. Yan. Kasi pwede ka kasi mag-movement sa d to get fy. So yan. 1066.9 yung dx. Ito yung force din sa hydraulic na anong tawag din? Hydraulic cylinder. DE. Yan. Baka kinuha yung ano dito. Check daw natin. Ano yung RD? Di ko kasi alam if yung hydraulic cylinder including ba yung vertical force. Baka resultant yung hanapin. Check daw natin. 1066.8375 squared plus 307.38 squared. Check down natin. Wala na sa choices. So ito lang talaga. Yung force ng dx, yan yung DE din. Yan, 1066.9.